welcome guys back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when she says she's hot, you know what she mean? She means she hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. And see the next two hot pepper. Oh, you hot? Oh, hot you is? You know hot? How hot you is, Joy?
Scotch bonnet.
Oh, so she's Scotch bonnet pepper hot. And Cyan, how hot you is?
I'm hotter than hot.
She's hotter than hot. Meaning that not even Scotch bonnet pepper not hot like she. So today, guys, today is Joey's birthday. And Joy, God, guys, we are mix up the name of the grandchildren, them guys. Today is Joy's birthday, and she's gonna do a Christmas tree decoration. Me, she, Cyan, and what your name? You have to tell the people them so that I don't remember. What is your name?
Joe. Okay,
so me, Joy, Jolly, and Cyan, we're gonna do up a Christmas tree for you guys. Christmas is coming soon, and we start. And we're gonna start to do that. Oh yes, and Jolly, I've never done a tree with me.
I think I have though. You've been here a few times. I haven't.
Well, so
I haven't.
Okay, so today now you all are gonna do the tree. So guys, I kind of give it a little head start by doing down at the bottom. So now guys, we're now gonna dive in and we're now gonna start to put up the thing. Or I can give it to Uno, put it in the hole, or Uno give it to me put it in the hole. So we're upon the red.
I wanna put it in.
Huh? Okay, so start. So we're gonna do the red ones. Get the red ones out. Yes, the one on top. On top, Joy. Red. And do red. So I think I have to give you guys the thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna start with the red. You're gonna go around. So I want to show them what to do. Okay. So I'm gonna go, and then I will go here. So red. You're gonna put it in the hole. Let's try and show you how to put it in the hole. Okay. So you want we put it up and then you do the ornaments.
How's it going over here? Good?
Red, okay. Joe,
I'm a master at this. I've been doing it for 9 years.
You've been doing it for 9 years? You've been doing it since you're born? Since 9? Joy?
I would watch my mom do it.
Joy, when you was born, you was 1 year. Yeah.
So how are you doing it for 9 years?
So you've been doing it for 9 years. That's what I'm saying.
Because I was watching my mom.
Okay. So it was watching your mom as a baby, so you consider yourself doing it while watching your mom as a baby.
So what's on your Christmas wish list? Me? Grandma.
On my Christmas wish list, what do I need? You know I love cash.
Yeah,
Not
that's
ready
what she
yet for that.
wants. Money.
I like the, I like the moolah, so I can buy what I want. So I don't really have anything that I wish for.
Well, I want a car.
You want a car?
For Christmas from you.
You want a car from me for Christmas?
Yes. Do you guys secret Santa do that?
Do I have money to buy you a car? No,
yes.
Cyan, I don't have money to buy you a car because I need a car for myself. And that was my wish too, to get a new car. Now? Okay, Jolly. This is gray. This is green. We gotta work with one color at a time. If we're doing gray, we have to do all the gray first. What one you have? This is gray.
This is the last one.
So we need one more gray.
We don't have any more gray.
We have one slot left for gray, so we should have another gray. So
we don't.
We cannot do nothing more until we find the gray.
What are you doing? There's the other gray.
We cannot have an empty spot on the tree because all the branches have to go on the tree. So give me this one. We put in this gray. Okay.
What color is that?
So
Green.
after the gray, then which color we do? Which color is on top?
Green.
You sure?
Yes.
Can't even see this something is slack gone.
So
we'll do so we're gonna do
red.
So we're gonna do the green
And then blue.
and then
Blue. Orange.
No black.
Wait,
So the next one, yes, the next one we're doing is the
Saying,
green.
what's
So
your height?
all you have to
Almost.
do is the green.
Almost.
One at a time, Jolly. One green at a time. One green at a time. So we can only do one at a time. Okay?
I'm getting a few more for pieces.
So what them saying, them is going to change to digital currency. Now when you change digital currency is like, you know, like how you do your game and you have the play money. Everything is digital. So them are going to change to digital currency. So which color come now?
I thought you were gonna say they're gonna change the world and have no money.
No, them are going to change to digital currency. But here the thing now.
It's blue next.
After them change to digital currency. So the next one is could it be, let's see which one taller. The next one is it black?
Yeah, it's
The next one is black.
black is on here.
The black is there. Next one is black, Jovi. Just the black.
Where is the black?
Right here. The black is right here. See it from the angle there? Okay, so over here is the black. So as I was saying, when them said them are going to change to digital currency. So, like if you get a loan, so you buy a car now. So you go buy a car, Cyan, and you use cash paper. You know, like you use your money and buy your car. When them switch to digital currency, you don't need to pay for the car no more.
Oh.
Because you didn't buy the car with digital money. You buy the car with cash money. You have your contract with cash you pay. Like, you know, you have your money in the bank and you pay your cash money for your car.
So you don't have to pay for nothing no more?
No,
you don't have to pay for your mortgage?
No, because everything, we have a contract and my contract signed with cash, with money paper. Never sign a contract with digital money.
You guys need another black?
So, yes, sweetheart.
Oh. So then all the regular money I made is no more? I have to make new digital money for work?
Well, that's what them go change. If them change to digital, if them change to digital money.
They can't do that.
She gave me one where she said there was no
That was probably the black.
that was the black one. No, it's to find it. So it's like we have to go ban her from our job.
What?
So, yep. So
Oh, it's this one. I'm good at it. It's this one.
We'll take out that one and then see. Well, if you give me one wrong color again, you will get fired.
No, I'm the only person that's very good.
Not true.
Yes, true.
Well,
So not.
you are very good, but sweetheart, you're making mistake because you're giving us black for green and telling us that there is no more black. You know, so
That was actually green.
So after we finish, put it together, open it up. So now Joy and Cyan, Jovi, she took off and play with our sand castle that our grandmother sent her, or our granddad from the States. So she gonna play with that. Oh, her granddad sent that to her, so she gonna play with that. Oh, here our little foot runner come here. So we're gonna put on the ornaments and decorate the tree now. Are you gonna come help decorate the tree, or are you gonna go and play with the sand castle? Don't worry about I know grandma don't see I know everything.
Mom's knows.
Okay.
Mom knows.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put on my white flowers. So we're gonna do a red and white and probably gold theme. But so for now, we're doing the white. And these guys gonna do the red. So Jovi, we're gonna do red and white.
Red and white?
Yes. Yes, so if you don't have any top, Joy, just put it back and find one that has the top, okay?
really high up on the
It's not supposed to go at the very top because we probably do like a star or an angel. But last year for Christmas, Grandma gave us a.
So we have, it's almost like we have 20 more to put on.
I got it.
Yes, that's like a glass, so that can work as a white.
Can we put it higher up?
Just focus on where you can catch. Don't worry about higher. Focus on where you can catch.
Are we doing these colors?
Focus on what you can catch. Don't worry about
No
higher
green.
up. No green, just red and white. Okay?
Don't those things not have a top? Did you find the top? Did you find the top? Yeah?
Whoa.
Is this thing open?
Milo, can you get up out of the way? Okay, so this is the angel.
I have a question.
Here.
Why can we only do white and
Because that's the angel.
Jolly? So we can't do these colors?
No.
Here, Jolly. Here, Jolly. Here's two red. Okay. So I think you probably need to change the oak. I put on one of those white oak on that one because it keeps falling off.
Yeah, the green hooks break very easy. I
Yeah.
broke one.
We need more red and white
I know, I'm
stuff.
gonna find some more. Come to the end of this one, so we want to know if you like, subscribe, and hit my post notification. They're the things of mine, so you don't miss a post. With Mama Joan, Urban Sai, Jolly, and Joy do another Christmas tree for you guys. Alright, so we'll see you in the next Christmas tree video. And toodaloos.
To the list. Ciao. Bye.
We out.
We out. Okay, so out.